Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. We are getting ready for another road trip. And if you guys remember last year, I referred to Karen all the time because Karen wrote in. That's not her real name, but that's what we're going to call her. Karen wrote in, she pretty much wrote a novel and told me that I have to, first of all, get on video, which I don't mind. I love being on video. I should show my face more, which I appreciated that. But she also told me that when I make my videos, I have to do everything in complete detail, 100% detail when I am describing a video, which I'm not going to do. I'm not a home show. So anyway, we're getting ready to go do another install. Now, I've done 2 Tiki bars in Highland, Illinois. I've done, I think, 11 total in Illinois, but 2 in Highland. And now we get to go to Highland, Maryland, and we are heading there tomorrow morning, probably pulling out of here around 5. So let me turn the camera around, and I'll show you guys what we got going on. All right, there we go. So this one is going to Sparta, New Jersey. That's a bigger one. But we're getting ready to load this one up here. This is another 6x8. As you saw in the last video, where were we? LBI, New Jersey. The same exact bar, but it had a beer meister. This one just gets a refrigerator and the ice bin. And the lid's sitting in there somewhere. There it is. And this one gets a glass door refrigerator. This one, like I said, is going to Jersey. And we're not doing any rope on this one, so we're going to do all wood edging. And I'm going to make all the edging. I'm not going to buy anything. I'm going to make it here in the shop. So we'll see how that goes. I've done it before. So let's see what the guys are up to. And when I say guys, as you guys saw again in my last video, Shay is no longer here. Shay could not get up on time to come to work. So Shay is no longer here, so we have his replacement. His name is Christian. So let's see, I think they're loading the roof now. Oh, you guys got it in already, good. All right, there's the roof for the 6x8, and we'll finish putting it together tomorrow. All right, so we'll be bringing that bar in. Thanks, Daniel. No Shay, not the Shay. All right, so guys, my next video will probably be tomorrow when we are in Highland, Illinois. So this will come off the table. This big one will come off the table today. And yeah, coffee. And I'm doing the electric in it right now, but figured I'd take a minute to make a video. A long, annoying video. Boring video, as some of my friends call it. So, all right. So we'll probably see you guys tomorrow in Highland, Maryland. Hope I didn't say Illinois. So we're in Highland, Maryland tomorrow. Anybody from there? Let me know. And if you like my contact, please like, share, and follow. All right, from Tiki Kev Shop, Tiki Kev out.